Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to grow spinach from seeds very easily. Though it can be grown around the year and people are growing it, but best time to grow spinach is in winter. First of all, let's discuss about the germination requirement of these seeds. So the ideal temperature range for germination is in between 7 to 23 degrees Celsius or 45 to 75 degree Fahrenheit. Or if I talk about the specific temperature, so the optimum one is 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degree Fahrenheit. So these seeds do not need light in order to germinate. So you can cover them with a thin layer of soil, but don't bury them too deep. Spinach seeds will take 7 to 14 days to germinate at the ideal temperature range, but sometimes can takes up to 3 weeks to germinate if the soil is little colder or warmer than the ideal temperature range. I'm going to use this plastic tub to grow spinach. You can grow it in any kind or size of container depending upon the quantity you consume. Normally people consume it in salads or seasoning or making soups. But here in North India we consume spinach in huge quantity. So that is the reason I'm growing it in a big tub. Let's drill some holes at the bottom for drainage. As far as potting mix is concerned, spinach can be grown in any kind of soil provided it has good drainage and decent amount of organic matter. Here I'm reusing potting mix prepared last season, but you cannot just directly reuse it. You have to treat it first, and I've already documented the whole process. You may check that video. Link would be there on the screen and in the description as well. I've filled the soil in the tub. Now just water it thoroughly and let it sit overnight to let the mix settle down and absorb the water. This is after a day, soil has settled down. Now with the help of any tool, just till the upper layer of the mix. These are spinach seeds. This pack costed me just rupees 10. If you want, you can also purchase these and lots of other seeds online at a very low price. I've already made a video regarding this, so we'll share the details of that video and the seller in the description. Now just spread the seeds on the mix. Cover the seeds slightly with the mix. Spray some water. I'm planting these seeds in late October. It's a start of winter here, so I'll keep this tub in open under direct sunlight. But if you're planting these seeds a little early, then depending upon the climate at your place, you may keep the pot in semi-shaded location as well. The important point is to always keep the potting mix moist. Seedlings were started to emerge after 5 to 6 days of sowing the seeds. This is the result after 10 days. Most of the seeds are sprouted. This is after 7 more days. Leaves are getting bigger now. Have added few more seeds at the empty spaces, which have also started to emerge. You may consume these leaves now as a baby spinach or in salad, but if you want bigger leaves, then you have to wait for 10 to 15 days more to have sizable amount of leaf. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Do write your comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.